So we finally have the high quality version of the cover page for Boruto Manga Chapter 55, courtesy of Abdul Zoldyck on Twitter. Do give him a follow for more upcoming news, spoilers and leaks. But this particular image has given rise to some very peculiar discussion upon Twitter, and today we are going to talk about all of this in this particular video. So hello and welcome to Under YZ, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Boruto Manga Chapter 55, especially in regards to the character of Code. Now, as we can see here, the manga version or the colored manga version of Code is looking substantially different from his anime counterpart, and this has raised a lot of questions for a number of different people. Now, I want to clarify one particular thing here before proceeding any further in the video. No, this scar is not a new thing. Yeah, sure, the anime actually missed it. It's not present in the anime version of Code. As you can see here, the forehead scars of Code are missing in the anime. But it has always been present in the manga, and the major reason why he's wearing this sort of a belt or prosthetic is mostly to cover this scar. Now, since we are getting a close-up of his face, it's been more prominent here, and this is obviously raising us some major questions as to what exactly this scar is. Now, obviously there are memes about all of this going on currently, that this is just like Deidara's mouth which has been sealed here, yada 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 and whatnot, maybe even a Rinnegan for some reason. All these theories, all these wacky theories are obviously a part of the fandom, and before the leaks come out, all these theories are going to get wild. But at the same time, I don't think this is a trivial matter because it's a part of his design from the manga itself. Sure, the anime might have missed it. I won't give any explanations here because I have no idea why they missed it, but it has always been present in the manga since the introduction of Code, barring his very first appearance in chapter 15, but at that time his entire facial expressions were not defined, so let's discount that. Moreover, we can also see some major differences from the anime as well as manga counterparts of Code, the major ones being his eye color. In the anime, his eye color is red, which is kind of similar to that one filler character or anime only character which we saw in a couple of arcs prior, where Konohamaru was saving that girl. But here in the manga, his eye color is actually green, which is looking really great. Not gonna lie, it's looking really great. And at the same time, his prosthetic strap-like thing is actually black in the manga, while it's white in the anime. Again, the black color is looking better here. But now going back to the scars, what exactly is these scars and what is the thing which he is hiding here? Could it be a karma seal? I know that is taking things a lot farther. I can't be sure that this is actually a karma seal just because of his interactions with Jigen or Ishiki Otsutsuki, but something is definitely up with these scars and I am very intrigued. I am really intrigued. What if this has some direct connection to the 10 tails which he was guarding in the very first place? Okay, major update, major update. Just while I was editing this particular video, the spoilers for chapter 55 came out and Abdul Zoldyck has actually confirmed that yes, this is indeed karma. Code actually has karma. This changes the deal. This changes the entire game. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Code actually has karma, and that is the major link that he has to the 10 tails. This is absolutely mind-blowing. This came just while I was editing the video and I was like, screw this, I need to add this thing, so I've added it here. Please pardon me if my voice is sounding cracked because I added this portion of the audio hastily, but this is huge. This is huge. Code actually has karma, and this gives us confirmation beyond a shadow of doubt that there is new Otsutsuki members, or maybe old Otsutsuki members, whichever one you want to call. And no, that is not in the forehead, but rather on his palm. It definitely has some special powers which we are not aware as of yet. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Under YZ and I'll see you soon as the spoilers for this chapter are out.